Come to the shop today. My buddy Travis left me a present. What is this? What is this? Coors Light Tall Boy. Hell yeah, brother. Let's put that in the cooler. Hell yeah. Get you nice and cold. What else we got? We got soup. There's no spoon. The hell I'm gonna eat that? Make some soup. A little fire axe action. This work? Oh yeah. That's gonna work. So knock it over. Alright. Let's make some fucking soup. There we go. It's cooking with fire now. Alright, it is, what time is it? 8:49. I'm gonna heat this bitch up. 50 degrees. Update, 2 minutes later. It's already boiling. We're gonna need some gloves for this. We gotta rotate it. Still can't find a spoon. Come on, Travis. Bring me soup and no spoon? Ooh. Maybe I'll use safety. This could work. Look at this. Boiling. In 5 minutes, it's 62 degrees. Mind you, this is a 200,000 BTU heater. All right, I'd say 5 more minutes. All right, it's been about 8 minutes. Check the temp. Look, it's hot on the outside. Look at that. Woo! What we got on the backside here? Middle. I don't think we stir it up. Should be fine. Yeah, that's fine. $140 degrees. 160 degrees. We're gonna burn this soup. Let's try not to burn myself. It's so hot, it's breaking. What is this? Beer cheese with potatoes and chorizo. Very nice. Surprised the label didn't burn off. We're gonna let this cool down a little bit. Was it 9 minutes? 10 minutes? 8 minutes? Pretty fast. Smells like diesel fuel. Spoon. All right, let's try this. Stir it up a little bit. It's hot. A little difficult to eat with the safety glasses, but yeah. Get some potatoes in there. Looks good. Thank you, Travis, for the Campbell's, which is made with 3D printed meat, so thanks for that.
Pabst blue ribbon cheese with potatoes and chorizo. Yeah, that's not good. I should get plasticware for the shop.